guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a really cool Hot Wheels RLC car, and that is the 1991 BMW M3, and I am super excited about this. I know a lot of people love the old school BMWs, but we are going to go ahead and bust this thing open and check it out. So let me go ahead and let's see, I'll cut the seal on this side. I know when this came out, a lot of people were excited about it, so I'm kind of excited. I know the color, I think, looked pretty good online, so obviously seeing it in person will be pretty cool. All right, and I will show you like right off the bat, it is not a numbered car. Typically, they'll put a little sticker on the bottom that says like what number, it's kind of like a little serial number. But the packaging looks pretty cool. It's kind of simplistic, nothing too complicated. But there's the back of it if you guys want to pause that and read it or anything. But you do see like the metal real riders. But let's go ahead and get started with unboxing and checking this thing out. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. So like I said, it's the 1991 BMW M3. And that detail, that color looks really good. Wow. So the front doors do swing open. The license plate is M3. So that's kind of cool. The wheels on this look really nice too. It's like a nice like bronze color. Let's see if we can get to focus there. There we go. Wow, that looks really good. And I love the attention to detail. Like that wing looks really good too. The taillights, the whole front end, the attention to detail is just magnificent. Like, man, I absolutely love this thing. That looks so nice. And then obviously the roof there, which looks really good. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Because I know a lot of people love BMW, especially the M3s. And I know people who like specifically go after the kind of old school version like this. I did notice, I don't know if it's going to come up on the video, there's like some smudges like on the hood. So I don't know if that's from when they were packaging this or what. But because it's an acrylic case, there are little tabs on the underside. So I'm going to carefully remove those tabs. And I do see a fingerprint on that door as well. I don't know if it's really showing up on camera. So I'm actually going to carefully take the acrylic top off. And I wear like a microfiber shirt, so I'm probably going to clean that off carefully so that I don't have to worry about there being fingerprints on that. So let me go ahead and get started with taking off the acrylic case. All right. And just like that, got the acrylic case off. And there's the BMW a lot closer. I don't know if you guys, there's even like some smudges on the roof there. There you go, you guys can kind of see that. So that's kind of interesting. So luckily I'll be able to, yeah, it looks like it's just like a little smudge and it's not. I was afraid it was going to be like imperfection in the paint, but it's actually like wiping up a little bit. So that's good. But since we're here, let me go ahead and open up the doors if I can. There we go. We got one side. We go around, open up the other door. There we go. All right, so there's the BMW with the doors opened up. You guys can kind of see, I don't know if you can really see inside of it too well. There we go. That looks amazing. And then let me go to flip it around to this side. Maybe you guys can kind of see it on the dash, on the driver's side. It is like all black interior, so it's kind of hard to see it. But I love how Hot Wheels makes these with like the doors that open up. Obviously the high quality paint, the nice rims with the rubber tires. Like, I love the Hot Wheels RLC cars, especially like the attention to detail, like that wing there, you can actually see underneath it. Whereas like some of the mainline Hot Wheels, it's like connected all the way across, and it's made to kind of look close enough, but these are actually like very accurate, which I really love. But wow, this BMW looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think of the color, and like, did you guys pick one of these up when it came out? Or if you guys could pick a different color, like what color would you pick? I know in real life I see a lot of these M3s in like black or silver, but seeing this one in red actually looks really cool. Maybe like a forest green would probably look good too. Kind of goes with that time frame. But wow. But like I said, let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this BMW M3. And if you guys did like this video, make sure you go down, hit that like button down below. But also don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot of videos coming all the time. I also just recently did a case unboxing. So if you guys want to see the result of that, definitely check out that video on my channel. But like I said, subscribe because I have a lot of different videos going live all the time with either case unboxings, RLC cars, some other collectible cars, opening Hot Wheels, and even racing them on the 6-lane raceway. But like I said, if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.